So I've been waiting for this particular flower on our property to bloom. I've been watching it and I knew it was going to be big and beautiful. And today is the day. I knew yesterday it was on the brink of blooming, and then I just walked out and it's far surpassed my expectation. In fact, I probably missed the best part of its blooming early this morning. But you know, Sunday, trying to get to church. So peonies are my favorite flower, and I haven't really had them till I moved to Michigan. And it's what my kids have been what my kids have been giving me for Mother's Day every year. But this one was here from the previous owner, and so it is beautiful. I just want to show it to you. Isn't it beautiful? This is what it looked like yesterday, which I still think that's fabulous when it's at that point. And then it opened up to exalt these beautiful yellow centers. Man, it's such a picturesque. Just the yellow and the pink and the green. Oh man. I'm like, why didn't this lady plant 3 of these things?
So this was the one she planted?
Yeah. And behind it are raspberry bushes, which is kind of interesting because that means I'm going to have to traverse back here between the fence and the shed to harvest raspberries. I'm not sure how we're going to do that.
Have to do it.
Anyway, just wanted to share this beauty. Let's go see what else is going on. Surprise number 2 today. One of my favorite things to do is just meander around the garden, even if there's not really much to do. I mean, there's always something to do, usually weeding, which is what I've been doing. I've been listening to my favorite podcast, what have you, and picking weeds, being inspired. And anyway, I decided to come over to my other garden to kind of just check things out. And I found something, and it just baffles me because I have been checking for this on a regular basis, and somehow I missed it. And they appeared today, and it's so fabulous. Let me show you. Ta-da! Radishes. I'll tell you, I mean, not to brag or anything, but as good as a gardener as I think I am, radishes have been like my bane. Like not able to do radishes, which are like one of the simplest things to do. And let me show you what I feel like has happened so many times in the past, and has happened with even this bunch. Like every 3rd radish or something would look like this, and not even being spaced too close together. You know, I need to do more reading on why this happens, because I've always had this happen more often than not, that they look like this instead of round and circular like this. Pink lady sliver, that's what this is. And these beautiful Easter egger radishes. I'm so excited. I'm telling you guys, these just magically appeared. I swear they were not here a week ago. At least they escaped to my knowledge. I guess I could have left those other radishes in that didn't bulb because they flower. And their little pods, their seed pods, actually taste amazingly like a mild radish, and they're my kids' favorite. So I'm going to be careful in the next bunch that I pick to not pick them out, because they flower, they deter certain bugs that you don't want in your garden, and then you get seeds and yummy seed pods. This one unfortunately split. It was obviously a big radish, and I didn't get to it in time, and I had another one split too. But for the most part, these all look really great. And like I said, they were the Easter egg variety. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go, see, here's some more of the little duds. I'm gonna go back through where I just pulled these out, and I'm gonna plant some more so that in 30 days I'll have another bunch of radishes. And that's kind of what's fun about plants like that are done in like 30 days, like your lettuces and things. It's just a quick turnaround. And you can just come right back and, you know, plant a bunch of more. So I think that these are what they were. So I'm just going to go back and reseed these. And radishes are something that you definitely want to thin, because if they don't have enough room to bulb, then they do become squirrely or they don't grow very well. But like I said, those of mine that didn't bulb had plenty of room. So I'm not entirely sure what the issue was, but I got more bulbs than non-bulbs, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go back through and plant these and then check my other ones and make sure I haven't missed something. It could also be the variety, like certain varieties that grow better in warmer weather, certain varieties that grow better in cooler weather. I just got a whole bunch of varieties of radishes because there's like one of my favorite things to try to grow, even though in the past I haven't been that successful. And it's probably because they are ready so quick. You know, it's like a quick fix, a quick garden fix, instead of having to wait till the end of the summer to get food. So like lettuces and kales and radishes are really fun for those reasons. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the ground.